Hello friends, today we're going to see how to make sardine curry. It's simply delicious and it's a quick and easy version.
Welcome to the channel Food is God Gift. Please click subscribe button and click that bell button and you will get notification every day. Please like and share and comment. Thank you.
Friends, sardine curry is a really convenient food. As an Asian, we love make this sardine curry, and you can tell all in our country in Malaysia they used to make this sardine curry in different varieties and different type of recipes. So this is my version recipe, a little bit spicy, and I'm adding different masala or spices to this recipe. To make this sardine curry, all you need is a 1 can small sardine in the tomato sauce and 1 small onion slices, few garlic, few green chili. For the tempering, I use the star anise, fenugreek seed, fennel seed. For the masala, 1 tablespoon fish curry powder, 1 tablespoon chili bow or chili paste, 1 tablespoon tamarind juice. So friends, it's simple recipe. So in the pot, I just add the oil and I just start tempering with the star anise, fenugreek seed and fennel seed, and I just add a sliced onion, green chilies and garlic. Now I just add a very little salt because sardine already have a contain salt, so just watch out the salt amount. Now I'm just adding the chili paste as a homemade chili paste, and I'm just add the curry powder, is a fish curry powder. Now I'm just add chopped tomatoes, so just stir it and cook about 5 minutes. Now we can add that sardine that I opened the can. It's come with the tomato sauce. We always can add all ingredient and let it simmer, and now we can add that tamarind juice. So friend, keep simmer and it's up to you. You like to little bit gravy, you always can take it out. It's a fully cooked sardine. It's so delicious. So it's a homemade, and you can use this delicious sardine gravy for chapati, dosa, roti or steamed rice. So friends, today I can serve like this, and it's simply delicious. It's quick and easy, and you can have delicious lunch or dinner under 10 minutes friend. And it's really famous in Malaysia. We always use the sardine from the can for many users, and it's come handy to everybody, and it's become so quick and easy, and you can fix this meal anytime. So friend, I hope you like this recipe. Please do subscribe our channel and leave a comment if you have any new recipe from that sardine can. You always can leave in the comment below. So friend, we love to explore new dishes worldwide. If you have any suggestion, please leave it in the comment and we get back to you. Thank you.
Before you leave, click that subscribe button and the bell button to get the notification. Thank you friends.